Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Medicare coverage with Humana, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Medicare coverage with Humana, begin by gathering your personal information. This includes your Medicare number, date of birth, and any relevant policy numbers. Next, visit the official Humana website. Look for the member login option on the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one. Follow the prompts to set up a new account using your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the coverage or benefits section of the website. This area typically outlines the specifics of your Medicare coverage. Review the details carefully to confirm your plan's coverage options. If you prefer to speak with someone, you can call Humana's customer service number. Be prepared to provide your Medicare number and personal details for verification. When connected, ask the representative to assist you in verifying your coverage. They will guide you through the necessary steps and provide the information you need. Alternatively, you can check coverage through the Medicare.gov website. Log into your Medicare account and follow the prompts for plan details. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your healthcare provider. They can assist you in understanding what services are covered under your Humana plan. Lastly, make sure to keep a record of your coverage verification for your records. This ensures that you have proof of your benefits should any questions arise in the future. Following these steps will help you easily verify your Medicare coverage with Humana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.